Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about AED, Automated External Defibrillator. So, all of you might have heard about defibrillator, a machine that you see in ambulances or an emergency room, which a doctor or a nurse apply on a casualty to bring a casualty back to the life. So, AED is an extension of that. AED means Automated External Defibrillator. So first of all, let us understand what do you mean by defibrillation. When a person is not breathing and his heart is at a resting state, so heart is also vibrating. The vibration is called fibrillation. The process of stopping the vibration is called defibrillation. And the machine that we use to stop the fibrillation is called defibrillation. Typically, a defibrillator needs a trained person to operate. Whereas AED, Automated External Defibrillator, anybody with a basic knowledge on AED can actually use it. And this machine can actually save a life. First of all, when you see a person unresponsive and not breathing, we generally recommend you to do a CPR. While you are performing a CPR, you can take an assistance of AED in order to improvise a chances of survival. Once you know the location has an AED, you can ask somebody to get an AED while you are still performing a CPR on the casualty. Remember, AED or CPR can be done only on a person who is unresponsive and whose heartbeat is not working. Once you get an AED onto the site, you can ask somebody to continue a CPR. While they are performing a CPR, you can unbox a AED to apply on a casualty and to save his life. First and foremost thing, when you get an AED, once you unzip it, once you get AED into the scene, the first thing that you have to do is cut the t-shirts or a shirt using a razor provided in the AED kit, or you can unzip the casualty shirt to see the bare chest. Once you have a bare chest, you can also remove the hair or a wet using a cloth. So once you are clear to apply the pads, in an AED machine, you typically have a pads connected. So the first thing that you have to do is apply one pad to the right top chest and one more pad below the left chest. Once your pad is intact, the first thing that you have to do is any commercial AED will have a on button. So once you press the on button, all you have to do is follow the prompt that the AED machine is giving. So the moment you connect the pads to the AED, it starts analyzing the rhythm of a casualty. So if a shock is advised, then the AED will advise with a shock button.
Stay clear of patient. Deliver shock now.
So once a AED asks you to give a shock, the first thing they have to do is remove all the people in contact with the casualty and press the shock button. The moment shock is delivered, you can see a patient bumping on the floor, and once the shock is done, you can continue the CPR for one more cycle. While you are continuing a CPR, you can keep a AED intact with the casualty so that the AED can reanalyze the rhythm and apply the shock if it is required in the second cycle. So generally in any AED, you can find adult pads that has been given with one, or you will also see a infant pad given in terms of the AED applied for the infant baby. So only change here is one pad applied on the front part of the chest and the other pad on the back, and these pads are used only when we are using it for an infant. So with a commercial application of an AED, we can increase the chances of survival up to 70%.